Alright, so now we are going to find the average rate of change of the function from x sub 1 to x sub 2. Now this is similar to doing the slope. Remember that slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And now f of x is the same thing as y. So this is the formula for the average rate of change. It is f of x2 minus f of x1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So it's very similar to slope. So what we're going to do is find f at 2, which is 0, so we're going to plug in the 0 right here, minus f at x sub 1, which is negative 1, over x sub 2, which is 0, minus our x sub 1, which is negative 1. Make sure that you include all negative signs, the one in the formula and the one included on the negative 1. So remember, our negative will get us a positive. So we're going to go ahead and plug in our f at 0. So if we plug in 0 to here, we are going to get 5 times 0 plus 7. And this we are going to subtract f at negative 1, so we're going to plug in the negative 1. So 5 times negative 1 plus 7 all over 0 plus 1 will equal 1. We need to simplify it down a little bit more. So 5 times 0 is 0 plus 7 will get us 7. Minus 5 times negative 1 is going to get us negative 5 plus 7. Now it's over 1, so we really don't need to put that because it's not going to change anything. So we're just going to leave our fraction off because the 1 will not do anything with what we're accomplishing here. So 7 minus negative 5 plus 7. 7 is the bigger number, so we're going to subtract the 5. So 7 minus 5 will get us 2, and we can just put it right there. So this will equal 5 because 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. If you want, you could do this part off to the side and do it that way. So let me show you how you could do that instead. So if we're going from this part right here, we're just going to redo this. So I'm going to go ahead and write f at 0 minus f at negative 1 over the 0 minus the negative 1, which we already have discussed got us to the plus 1. So let me do f at 0 right here. So f at 0 would get us 5 times 0 plus 7. 5 times 0 is 0 plus 7 will get us 7. And then f at negative 1 is 5 times negative 1 plus 7, which gets us negative 5 plus 7, which is equal to 2. So we can just bring these values up, and we would have 7 minus 2 over 0 plus 1, which is 1, which will equal 5. You can work this either way as long as you show the work so that your instructor knows where your values came from. If you did not include this but only went there, they may not know exactly what you did. So you need to include this. But sometimes for some students, they like to just follow along this way, and for some, they like to do the side work and then plug it in. You may choose either way.